Hello, I talk about what is borrowing. Borrowing, it's simple like that. Taking other words from other language and use in English or use in our language. For example, pizza, yogurt, piano. Those words from taken to other language. For example, pizza, it's Italian, and another it's robot or boast. Those words have the same meaning into language. Who it's borrow? Borrow it's from taking a word from other language and use it. Or adopted. Words might be taken from other or one language and adopted to other. This process is called borrowing. Its lexical borrowing is one of the process to linguistic change. And it's visible because it's the same meaning or the same we write this in the same form. Or it's like a stole or borrow a word. Another examples is yo-yo and murder. Algebra is it's Arabic and it's the same meaning in all language.